Let's settle this once for all. Investing versus trading. Two words that finance bros throw around like they actually know what they mean. But what's the real difference? And which one makes you rich without having to pretend you are the next Warren Buffett on Twitter? Let's find out. So investing, that's when you put money into something and wait, like a sane person. You buy stocks, ETFs, maybe some crypto if you enjoy emotional damage, and then you let time do its thing. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every 5 minutes to check if it grew an inch. Trading, on the other hand, is hyperactive, caffeine addicted cousin of investing. Traders buy and sell assets constantly, trying to profit from short-term price movements. It's like playing a video game, except instead of earning XP, you are racking up capital gains taxes and stress-induced gray hairs. The key difference: time. Investors play the long game, traders play the 5 minutes chart. Investors build wealth over years, decades even, because they understand something most people don't. Compound interest is the closest thing to legal magic. Meanwhile, traders are out there trying to scalp a 2% gain before their lunch break. Let's be real, most traders lose money. Yes, I said it. Studies show that 80 to 90% of the retail traders wipe out their accounts faster than you can say diamond hands. Meanwhile, long-term investors, historically, the stock market trends up over time. So unless society collapses, which given recent events isn't off the table, investing is usually the safer bet. So should you be an investor or trader? Well, do you enjoy sleeping at night? If yes, maybe stick to investing. If you love stress, charts, and losing money to market makers, trading is all yours. The real secret: most people should just automate their investing and move on with their lives. But hey, if you really want to day trade, at least remember this: your biggest enemy isn't Wall Street, it's your own emotions. Good luck.